Today in our 2011 Hyundai Sonata, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Yakima Roof Rack system. This is going to consist of part numbers Y06426, those are going to be our Yakima Jet Stream Crossbars. Part number Y06146, those are going to be our baseline towers. And part numbers Y06144 and Y06153, those are going to be our base clip fit kits for our Hyundai Sonata. The Yakima Roof Rack system is going to be the perfect solution for carrying your vehicle accessories on your roof, whether those are bike racks, cargo baskets, skis and snowboard carriers, or kayak carriers. The crossbars themselves are going to be an aerodynamic teardrop shape that's going to help to reduce wind noise and drag. On the inside, it's going to have a weather strip to prevent any dirt, debris, or liquid from getting inside our crossbar. It's also going to have that weather strip that can be pushed down so you can insert channel-mounted accessories. The baseline towers do have the option to remove this plastic core here and insert the Yakima Same Key System lock core, which will help to prevent theft and tampering. If we remove our end cap, you'll see that we have a bolt to secure down and give us a nice secure fit for our fit kit. The fit kit is going to give us a custom fit to our vehicle. It's going to have rubber portions protecting any place that is going to touch your vehicle to prevent any scratches or abrasions. The whole roof rack system has a 165-pound weight capacity, though you do want to check your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure it can withstand that much weight. We'll show you how to install that now. We're going to have our covers for our towers. We'll get 4 baseline towers. Our fit kit here in the center with 4 pads for the bottom and 4 clamps. We're going to have 4 adapters to attach our towers to our crossbar. Our included torque tool to tighten everything down. We've provided our own flat tape measure. We'll get 2 crossbars and 4 end caps. To start the installation, we've gone ahead and removed the weather strip underneath our crossbar. This can be cut down or replaced back in your crossbar strip at the bottom. That's going to help to reduce wind noise and drag and any dirt, debris, or liquid from getting underneath your crossbar. We're not going to do that just for demonstration purposes today, but you can cut this down. We're going to start off with our tower and our adapters that are included with our crossbar. We're going to start at the top here, placing in the black plastic piece just inside the tower on the top. We'll set the adapter right in the center there on top of that bolt. We're going to come underneath our tower here. We're going to tighten down this bolt on the inside. That's going to tighten up our adapter so that we can slide it onto our crossbar. We want it so that this piece is completely flush here on the bottom so we can slide it easily into our crossbar. We'll flip our tower over one more time, and we'll take the pad for the bottom, making sure that the arrow is facing towards the outside of our tower, and we're just going to snap it into place. Now we're ready to line this up and put it onto our crossbar. We're going to take our tower, line up the bottom, and slide it into the channel. There are numbers along the bottom of our crossbar. We're going to put it at 36 as per the Yakima instructions, sliding our tower down until it's just at the 36 mark. The last thing we do before we load this up onto our vehicle is take our crossbar end cap and slide it into place. To attach our crossbar to our vehicle, we're going to start by gently setting our crossbar in place on the roof of our vehicle and adjusting it so that it's sitting in the same spot on each side. Next, we'll measure out our crossbar spread. This is going to give us the appropriate placement for our back bar. We're going to measure from the center of the front bar to the center of the back bar, and that's going to be 32 inches. We'll do the same thing on the other side. To load up our clamps, we're going to open up the gray door here on the front of our tower. We're going to feed our clamp underneath this metal portion here. And we'll secure it to the nut on our foot pack. Now we'll repeat that same process for the other side. Now we'll take our included tool and we're going to start to tighten down our bolt here. That's going to tighten up our clamp. I want to make sure we do this evenly on both sides. We're going to tighten it up until we hear a couple clicks from our tool. That's when we know we have enough torque behind our bolt. We've got both sides completely tightened down. We've gone ahead and closed up the doors on our vehicle. We're ready to place on our covers. They just snap into place, and now we're ready to hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Yakima Roof Rack system on our 2011 Hyundai Sonata.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.